If your Boost Mobile SIM card is locked, it means you've entered the wrong PIN multiple times. This is a security feature to prevent unauthorized use. The PIN secures the SIM for daily use, while the PUK is a master reset tool. To unlock it, you'll need the PUK code. Entering the wrong PUK 10 times permanently bricks the SIM, requiring a replacement. Boost Mobile does not offer self-service PUK code retrieval through their app or website. To get your PUK code, you must contact Boost Mobile customer support at 1-888-266-2278. Be prepared to verify your identity, usually by providing your account number or the last 4 digits of your SSN. Once you receive the PUK code, carefully enter it when prompted to reset your PIN. Make sure to choose a new PIN that you can easily remember but is still secure. Boost Mobile, operating on Verizon's network, continues to rely on standard SIM card security. While PUK codes remain the primary method for unlocking SIMs, there's a growing trend toward eSIM technology. Boost Mobile has seen a 30% increase in eSIM activations since 2023. eSIMs reduce physical SIM lock issues by using software-based authentication. Future developments may include AI-driven support chatbots for automated PUK requests, but manual verification is likely to remain crucial for security. It's important to store your PUK code securely to prevent permanent SIM damage. Experts note that Boost Mobile prioritizes account-linked security, which, while effective for fraud prevention, can sometimes lead to slower response times for PUK code delivery. Remember, SIM locks affect only 2 to 3% of users annually, often due to forgotten PINs.